Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about how to set up your payment methods on Shopify. Shopify has become the most popular e-commerce platform used by over 1 million businesses worldwide. As you know, you can easily set up and manage professional online store, tons of beautiful themes and customization options, and you'll be having your built-in tools for marketing, shipping, reporting, and more. Configuring your payment settings is a key step in preparing your Shopify shop to accept orders and actually make money. And the first step to doing all of this and using Shopify itself is to create your account. You can start with a free trial, no credit card required. Simply head over to shopify.com and click start your free trial, or use the link in the video description down below, which will give you a special offer for a limited amount of time only, as you can get any membership with Shopify that you want, and you'll only have to pay $1 every single month for 3 consecutive months. During the sign up process, you'll be prompted to enter some basic and straightforward kind of business information like your store name and the email address. Once your account is created, you can start setting up your own Shopify store. As for the Shopify plans, as said, if you want to pay monthly, you will have the business plan for $32 per month. It will include some basic reports, up to 1,000 inventory locations and 2 staff accounts. The Shopify for small businesses starts at $92 per month, and the advanced one starts at $399 per month. And as mentioned before, you can grab your first 3 months for $1 per month using the link in the description down below. It's a limited time offer only. However, I recommend starting with the basic plan. You can always upgrade later as your store grows. And once you're signed up, you will be able to start setting up your Shopify store. However, for this video, we're going to focus specifically on getting your Shopify payment settings configured. To access your payment settings, start from your main Shopify admin dashboard, and then in the left sidebar, click on the settings. This opens all of the core settings for customizing your Shopify store. Next, click on payments in the menu, and this is where you will connect your payment provider and configure how you want to accept payments. So some of the things or the sections that you can go through are the payment provider, payment methods, and the manual payment methods. So the first decision is which payment provider or gateway to use for your Shopify store. Your payment provider processes credit card transactions on your site. So when a customer purchases from your store, the provider securely handles all the payment from the card to your bank account. And you have a few options for your Shopify payment provider, as Shopify offers its own built-in payment processing service called Shopify Payments. This one is seamlessly integrated into your Shopify admin, and with Shopify Payments, all of your transactions and payouts are managed in one place. There's no need to deal with any kind of third-party providers. However, Shopify Payments is not available in every country or region just yet. So for some of the stores, third-party options are still needed. Such popular third-party payment providers include Stripe, Authorize.net, and PayPal. These integrate with Shopify so you can manage transactions directly into your Shopify dashboard, but the provider handles the actual payment processing in the background. Some other providers like Square allow you to accept in-person payments with a credit reader. Just keep in mind the accepted payment methods, such as major credit or debit card, Visa, MasterCard, etc., or mobile payments such as Apple Pay or Google Pay, and of course the transaction rates and fees. So compare each one of the transaction fees across the providers and watch out for any hidden fees as well. Shopify Payments and Stripe have very competitive rates, whereas others like PayPal tend to be more on the expensive side. So consider your average order value, and a lower rate makes more impact on higher ticket items. Once you've selected your provider, it's time to get them connected to your Shopify store. If you choose Shopify Payments or popular integrated provider like Stripe, then connecting them is very straightforward. Simply follow the activation steps within the Shopify Payments settings to create your account with that provider and link it to your store. For other providers, you may need to create an account directly through their website first and then input your API keys or credentials into Shopify to fully integrate it. If you want to accept payment types that are not handled directly through your provider, you can set up manual payment methods. And for that, some examples of the manual methods include bank transfers or deposits, cash on delivery or local pickup, checks, external payment services like PayPal or Western Union. So to add a manual method, simply navigate to alternative payments in your Shopify payment settings, and here you can enter details such as your payment name, bank deposit or cash on delivery, and then instructions for the customer on how to pay, and your account details to receive the payment. So when a customer chooses this method during the checkout, they will see your instructions for completing the payment manually using your provided details. And the order will not be fulfilled until you manually confirm that the payment was received outside of Shopify. So in my opinion, the manual methods require some extra work on your end to collect and verify the payment, but they give customers more ways to pay if they can't directly pay online for whatever reason. So once your payment settings are all squared away, go ahead and complete your first test purchase, make sure the provider is working properly and charges appear on your account statements. And then start loading up your store with amazing products and confidently begin accepting real payments from your customers. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this kind of guide has helped you get your Shopify payments set up smoothly. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other additional questions. We'll be happily answering them. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we create similar to this one.